Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a piston pin in Solidworks software. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Okay, I'm going to the file and taking a new file. Part is selected. Okay, and I'm taking the unit 6 mmgs. Front plane is taken normal. Go to the sketch and taking a circle. Okay, sketching. Determine the dimension of this circle is 33.8 mm. Okay, go to the features. Extrude boss is selected. And taking this one is 82 millimeters, and the condition is the mid plane. Okay. After that, selecting this edge and selecting the chamfer and selecting also this edge, and it will be distance 2 millimeters and the angle is 45. Okay. Then I'm going to select the materials. I'm taking the iron, double click, metal is taken, and I'm going to the double click here, appearance, and color is taking this one, right, and I'm going to the edit documents units, and image quality is increase the image quality. Okay, up to this, here also, then okay, and see, this one is the piston pin. So I think everybody uh, see how to draw it in Solidworks software. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. And the redesign engineering is always with you.